Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11. Your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. So to resolve this problem, start regedit, open registry editor. Now here guys you have to expand HK local machine, then software, then here expand policies, then expand Microsoft. Now here guys you will see Windows Defender, expand it. Now here double click on Windows Defender. Now delete disable anti spyware. Now close it and restart. So this is the basic way guys to fix and resolve Windows 11 error. Your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.